Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Facebook Marketplace, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your recently viewed Facebook Marketplace items? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your recently viewed Facebook Marketplace items anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're just getting started out with making money online, so you decided to go ahead and buy and sell items on Facebook Marketplace, and you saw something that you want to go ahead and buy and then sell again, but you lost your place. Whatever the case is, pretty easy process, guys. It's handled here in your Facebook app. It's this blue and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Facebook app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Facebook app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find your recently viewed Facebook Marketplace items, you have to jump over to the Marketplace. So I have mine as a quick button here down on the bottom, the Marketplace button. If you don't have that, you can just click on the menu button here on the bottom right. Once you click there, you're going to see this menu right here, and same thing, you just want to look for the Marketplace button. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see a few items that might be recommended to you from Facebook Marketplace, but to see your recently viewed items, you need to click on this little person icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see another drop down menu, but to find your recently viewed Marketplace items, you need to click right here on this button. It says recently viewed. It has a little clock icon next to it. Okay, so here is where you're going to see your recently viewed items on Facebook Marketplace. You can see I was looking at an Apple computer. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to find your recently viewed Facebook Marketplace items, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.